Hi, just David here from What Gaming. I've got a black pouch to have a look at. I don't have a knife, so I'll just rip it open there. So, JD Sports. In case you change your mind, I'll keep that one just in case. Plastic pouch. So what we have is a black box with green. With the Xbox brand on. And then it's got the 20th anniversary sort of bits on. So that is the shoe. I do like the clear, like rubber plastic stuff. Quite a nice sort of design. Bit of green on it. That is just the Nike. So that is the Adidas Xbox 20th anniversary shoe. It's probably got a proper name. Let's see if it's got a proper name. The Adidas Xbox Forum Tech Bow Original. I don't know if that's the real name of it or if it's just a random sort of thing. But anyway, that is that. So, David here, Want Gaming, dying of illness. Thank you all. Goodbye.
I bang with one up gaming, drop more hits once I'm famous. The best, that's what our aim is. All platforms, what your game is. To the leaderboards, I'm coming. See me in a shooter, I can promise I'll be gunning. When I hit the music, try to swear I'm gonna run it. Can't take one up, you can try, but we done it. Let's go. Alright, let's go to the best place for reviews I know. Xbox One and PS4, Wii U as far as consoles go. They do handheld PCs, merchandise for you and me. Contest that you gotta do, the prizes are for gamers who going hard all day. We really the boys cause you're just that great. Can't lose, there's too much at stake. You're a certified badass when you play.
I bang with one up gaming. I bang with one up gaming.
I bang with one up gaming. Drop more hits once I'm famous. The best, that's what our aim is.